Welcome to this new video, guys, of TechExpress. Today let's show you how to get started to insert a page number into Word for a specific page. If you have never edited or needed a page number to start into page 3, skipping to the title page or table to contents, you know it's not a straightforward task. So the key to this understanding section breaks are usually these actually section breaks. So the key to this section breaks is that tells Word to treat the rest of the document as a brand new independent file, allowing for new numbering rows. So we will be dividing the document into two sections: the unnumbered front matter and the body text that starts at the page number 1. So to insert the section break, first you go to the page immediately before you want the numbering to begin. So I'm going to go all my way down. I'm going to close this element. I'm going to go back into my document, let's say like this, and go to like this. So now that we are inside here, I go to the page immediately before where I wanted the numbering to begin. Let's say, for example, here. Now, if you want the numbering to start on page number 3, you put your cursor at the bottom of page number 2. In my case, it's page number 3. So I click into the layout tab, and I needed to go to the main ribbon and click into the actual breaks. So I go directly here into my design like this, and there we go. So now that I have just selected this element, what I need to do is to, first of all, I'm going to close the open list directly in here. Let's go for the breaks. And here, usually what I have here, for example, if I click into the breaks, under section breaks, it will be showing me the next pages or the next column. So this creates a clean split into your document, and check out how it actually looks. But I'm going to go for Control C before. I'm going to start from my page number 3, breaks, and paged. Just like that. Once again, breaks and page. Then something else that I can do is to click now into the show hide paragraph marks button, or on the home tab. You should now see a line that says section break next to page inside the home with dashboard. So I'm gonna do exactly the same thing directly in here. For example, layout, breaks, page. There we go. Now, to insert and disconnect the page number, if you go to the folder of this page where you want our number to begin, which is, for example, the page number 3, in my case, here it is. I can go all my way down. I want to see this as separate pages. There we go. Now, I'm going to go all my way down. Here, it should be appearing in my actual folder. Now, I double click the folder area to open the header, like this, and the folder tools. This is the most critical step, because into the header and the folder design type, you will see the link to the previous button, and click into the turn this off. So this will be appearing directly in here. I have the page numbers. Let's say include page count, or I can add this directly like this in here. Now, if I double click here and into the page numbers, I don't include the page counts, and I different the first page like this, right? There we go. Now the numbers appears, but they are likely continuing the count from the beginning: 3, 2, 4, 5. So we need to fix that. So with the folder still open, go back to the page number and click the format page number like this. So in the dialog box, you can, under the page number, you can select the rate that says a start at. And you can see that the button has now been successfully changed. The table design, here's the table design, and the header and the footer. So you have the navigation bar, you have the options, remove the headers, and close the preview. In my case, I think we're actually good to go. But the final check is to scroll up to the title page and see if this one does no longer have the actual element of my first element, and the last one has the 7 pages, which I think is going to be really useful. So You have now mastered the element of the advanced numbering. Remember that first of all, we need to insert a next page section break. We turn off the link to the previous and use the format page number to start at number 1. So what big report are you going to be publishing next? You can let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools and how you can get started directly here into your Word Microsoft. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. See you next time.